Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about aligning your pelvis and your lower back. So we're going to do some exercises lying down here on the ground. If you want to increase the challenge a little bit, you can use a soft stability ball. If you don't want to do that, that's quite all right. You can just use the floor. So I'll do the exercise with the soft stability ball. Just remember that you can do everything on the ground. You don't need to have one of these. So you're going to lie on your back and you're going to place the soft stability ball right underneath your pelvis. So make sure it's not in your lower back. It's got to be underneath your pelvis here. Just put something underneath your head just to support your head and so that your ribs can relax. Now we're going to take a nice deep inhale through the nose, and then as you exhale, tip your hips backwards towards the floor. So you're just sinking and melting in the waist. Put your fingers in your tummy. It should feel quite soft. I don't want you to be gripping as you're going back. So just nice and soft. And then gently stretch forward over the ball. You're going to exhale through your nose as you rock back. Inhale through your nose as you rock forward. So as you go forward, try not to exaggerate the movement too much. I don't want you to feel any discomfort in your lower back. Gently rock back and rock forward. So this is the movement that your lower back does on a daily basis. It's really good at flexing and extending. So all you're doing there is you're just warming up your lower back, ready for movement. And then our neutral placement, or the position where the body is at rest but ready for action, is where you've got that mid position between the two. So if I take that out, that little ball out, I'll show you again. So if you think of a triangle that you're going to make with your fingers on the front of your pelvis, you're going to rock back, you're going to rock forward, and then settle into the middle. There should be a gentle hollow in your lower back. If your ribs feel like they're really flared, just give them permission to rest. Just allow the back of that rib cage to come towards the floor a little bit without jamming it down. Just invite it into that position. And now you're ready to do all of your exercises that are going to require you to lift legs, lift arms, and even if we come into an abdominal curl, we don't want to initially lose that neutral position. We just want to hold that there as if we're standing and we're just moving the spine around. Thank you for joining me.